If you have any app downloaded from Amazon's App Store, then beware because Amazon has announced to shut down its App Store from Android devices. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Amazon is set to close down its App Store operation from all Android devices on 20th August 2025. The company is shifted towards focusing more on its hardware ecosystem rather than competing directly with Google's Play Store. Sources reported that the applications downloaded through the Amazon App Store will also stop working once the store is shut down. Amazon has warned its users that the apps could become highly unstable and pose potential security risks since they will no longer be taken care of and can pose security threats. To minimize risks, the e-commerce giant advised users to uninstall any apps previously downloaded from its store and instead reinstall them through the Google Play Store where possible. Not only the store, but Amazon Coins will also discontinue on August 20th. The people who have Amazon Coins can take a refund for them. The company hasn't announced anything regarding the refunding terms and procedures. With Amazon stores shutting down, Google Play Store remains the safest and most reliable option because it's fully integrated with Android softwares and uses Google Play Protect to scan the apps for viruses. With all these features, Play Store has become the best for Android. And maybe that's why Amazon thought it's best to leave the market than to be crushed by Google Play Store later on. What's your opinion on this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.